Good morning, students. Welcome to virtual online class. This is Chunarkar sir here. Today, I'm going to explain you your English subject syllabus for SEM 1. Okay, let me get started. Your English subject has two parts. Part 1 theory paper of 60 marks and part 2 internal assessment 40 marks. So theory 60 marks and internal assessment 40 marks. Total 100 marks. Students, you have to write 60 marks paper for theory and you have to score minimum 21 marks to pass the theory examination. Okay, so it is your 100 mark English paper. You have 60 marks for theory and 40 marks for internal assessment. Here we know part 1 theory paper. Your theory paper has 5 units totally. The first unit has 20 marks and in the first unit two passages are asked. First is scene passage taken from prescribed text. A book is provided. The book's name is Hari Mohan Prasad book. And a passage is given from the prescribed book. But you have to write one more passage which is unseen. So there are two passages are asked. Each passage has 10 marks. 5 questions and each question has 2 marks. So total 10 marks. So as you have two passages to write down for the unit first, there are totally 20 marks passages. Okay, that is in unit 1. Now unit 2, it has only 5 marks and in the unit 2 you have to write a precis from the given passage. Students, do you know what is precis writing? It is like a summary writing which you have studied in your 12th examination. So an unseen passage, remember you have a prescribed book Hari Mohan Prasad and there are many sample precis writing passages are given to study, but in the examination an unseen passage is given to you and is asked to write down the precis. Precis is what? It is a 1/3. You have to write 1/3 of its length. Means a passage is given to you and it is asked to write the 1/3 of the passage. So do not here listen what is said. Do not give title to it. The precis should be written in your own writing. Means when you write the precis, remember you don't have to give the title for that precis. And the next is that read it, understand it and write in your own language, that what you have understood from the passage. Okay, so precise writing means summary writing, that is in the unit 2. Now unit 3, it has total 15 marks. There are three contents. The first is synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means writing a similar words, and antonyms means writing an opposite word. So a synonym and antonym is asked to write down. They are from same book, Hari Mohan Prasad. So if you read it very carefully, you can easily write the synonyms and antonyms, because synonyms and antonyms are asked from the prescribed book. Same with idiom and phrases. So for idiom and phrases, see the question number 3, to use the following idiom and phrases in sentences of your own. Means you have to write the given idiom or given phrase in your sentence. For example, if fond of, like the phrase fond of is in the paper, you have to write your own sentence on the phrase of fond of. So you can write like I am fond of listening music. So use that particular idiom or phrase in the sentence. That is in second. And third is pair of words, means choose the correct word from the word pair. So here you can see that he passed in the annual examination. There are two spelling are written for annual examination. The first is ANNUAL and the second is ANNUL. Here you have to find out what is the correct spelling of annual, and as you know correct, you have to write the correct word like annual. The correct spelling is ANNUAL. He passed in the annual examination. So each content has 5 marks. So total for this unit, vocabulary unit, you can score 15 marks. Then there is unit 4, grammar section. In the grammar section, you have to study parts of speech, mostly nouns, pronouns, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, articles, and preposition. They all are parts of speeches. So this is the basic grammar that we learn, because as it is your first semester for this course, BA Civil Service. So we started with the basic grammar, and noun, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, they are basic. So it will make your foundation, basic English very well. Okay, so paper pattern is here. Grammar section is asked for 10 marks total, and there are types of questions: sentence correction, supply the missing words, and transformation. So you have to transform noun, verb, adjective, adverb, or article, preposition. Maybe fill in the blank type of questions are asked, or you are said to correct the sentence. So this type of questions may be asked in your grammar section. So friends, let me let us study very clearly about this basic grammar section. Okay, now unit 5 for 10 marks. So an essay, you have to write an essay about 250 words. So uh, you have been you are provided 4 topics and is asked to write one of them. So we have also a recommend prescribed book. So here you learn different types of essays, and then you can write any one of them which are given in your examination. So unit 5 has essay. We will learn different types of essay writing in our study. Okay, so this is totally 60 marks in your theory examination. And now part 2, internal assessment, that is your practical examination for 40 marks. For 40 marks you have to do some activities, and you have to write some projects, assignments to get that 40 marks. The first is attendance and assignments. So assignments means some projects or some work is given and you are asked to complete that project or assignment. Second, listening, dictation of words means you are asked to write, you are asked to pronounce the words, read the passage, so we will better know what type of writing, what type of reading comprehension you are having. Then reading and speaking, you are asked to read advertisement, story, instructions, okay, and speaking skills. Dear friends, it is very important for an English speaker. You must be a very good speaker of English, because when you go for an interview, you have to speak in front of eminent jury or board. So you must be very good in your English. So we will here learn how to speak English language. Okay, that is 40 marks assignment. So totally 60 theory and 40 practical examination, total 100 marks. So here are a list of some recommended books. As I have told you, there is one prescribed book. Its name is Compulsory English by Hari Mohan Prasad. This is a prescribed book, and the rest of the books are reference books. So here is a long list of reference books. You can pause this video and read them. How to read better and faster, word power made easy, powerful vocabulary builders, vocabulary advantage, CSAT paper second, intermediate grammar usage and composition, grammar and composition. So these are the books that you have to study for your English subject. So it helps you to gain more accuracy and will help you to score good marks for your competitive examination. So read them, and we will provide this all type of the reference books in your library. So at these times you are not you don't buy these books, because we will provide it in the library section. Okay, so this is our syllabus for English subject semester 1. Okay, so we will start unit 1 in our next video. Till then, bye, all the best.